Okay, so let's now look at our reporting formats. If we're generating a report, like the one that we've put in the drawing here, we can obviously change the format of our reports. Now, the first thing we must do, obviously, is to make sure that we save our drawing to our current project. So it's a right-click, add active drawing, and yes to that. You'll see there it's taken on the number of the previous drawing, report generator, so it's a right-click, properties, drawing properties, make sure our sheet is 03, so it's sequential, and then OK it. Now that all updates nice and neatly, and report formats now is our current drawing. So we go to the reports tab, into the panel, which sounds a bit weird, and then click on reports. Now we're going to look at a terminal exception report this time. And we're going to do it in the active drawing again. Again, I'm going to make sure that all the tick boxes are ticked. Installation codes, I'm going to go all. Location codes to extract all. I can go format here. Can you see that? And at the moment, there aren't any report format setting file selections. So I can cancel that there. You can actually pre-program your file formats. What I'm going to do here is click on OK. No exceptions found. So let's just close that. Let's go back to our previous reporting format here. So we go to reports. Let's do a component exception, because obviously we want some data that we can change the format of. So again, component exception, active drawing, conditions, we'll switch them all on, all and all for installation location. If I click on format there, again there's none, so I'll cancel that and I'll OK. Now, as you can see, we've now got some data in there. So we now go to display report format. Now, in the report generator, which we touched on previously, you can add a time and a date. You can add a title line. Can you see it all there? And you can add a project line. And you can add column labels. Looks a bit different now, doesn't it? And if we bring this into the drawing, it'll look even more different. We can add page breaks, we can add special breaks if we want to. Again, more formatting. The one I want to show you though is this one, change report format. At the moment, all we've got is tag name, comment, PNL, schematic and file name. Let's add some more information, like so. And we can move things up and down, so let's move those there down. So we'll move that one down, like so. We'll also move the installation down as well, like so. I'm going to lose file name. That can be removed. And I'll do an OK there. Now you'll notice you've got an OK and a save as. If I did a save as there, that would then save as and allow me to browse to that on that format button on the previous screen. I'm not going to in this particular case, so I'll OK that. There's the information there. Now, what we'll do is we'll actually switch off the title line like that. That looks much neater. We haven't got that great big long file name kicking in. Now, I can print that if I want to, but all I want to do is put it on the drawing. I can print it, I can save it to a file. We'll look at saving to files later. So let's hit put on drawing. Again, I'm going to leave all of this as it is. We'll look at this a little bit further on. I'll OK that, and all I do now is close. And I want to put that on the drawing. Now it didn't appear. Why is that? Let's go back and look. Let's try that one again. It's all in there. I'll OK that. There's my drawings there. So I say do all and I OK it. Lots of information there. Display report format. As you can see, I'm going to add a time and date, project line, column label. Change report format. Notice the location and installation are still there. The file name is still over there. So I'll OK that, and I want to put it on the drawing. That's all in place. Insert new, non-updatable. So I want insert new, like so. The text height is 2.5. Everything else I'll look at later. I'll OK that now. There it is. So obviously, I didn't click on something that I should have. So if you actually don't get your table to come in like that, your report, what may happen there is you may have clicked on something. There's a lot to click on there, so just be careful of that. I've done it, as you can see, and I've demonstrated it there, that it's very easy to miss something. There's a lot of data here, a lot of things to think about. Be thorough. If it doesn't work, go back. It'll remember your settings. All you've got to do is hit that Reports button there on the panel on the Reports tab on the ribbon. So I'll close that now, and as you can see, look, there's my new report in a table format. There's the tag names, there's the comments, there's the circuits. That's all of the tag names, by the way, from the project, because I picked all of the current active drawings in the project. So there's 01, 02 and 03. And there you go. That's how you change your report formats in AutoCAD Electrical.